Recently I heard from a foreigner this phrase: "Я смотрю YouTube, чтобы учу русский язык." If you just say "Я учу русский язык", it's correct. However, in the phrase, the verb is not used in the correct form. Why? In Russian, after the conjunction чтобы, we need to use the verb in its initial form or in a personal form in the past tense to express the future. Yes, in Russian we can express the future using the verbs in its past tense. We use the verb in the past tense if there is a subject in the second part of the sentence. In this example, we only have a subject in the first part of the sentence, namely "я." Hence, we need to use the verb in its initial form in the second part of the sentence, but not in its personal form. The correct sentence should be "Я смотрю YouTube, чтобы учить русский язык." Let's try to add the second object to the sentence and take a look how the verb учить will be changed. Я смотрю YouTube, чтобы мой уровень русского языка был лучше. One more example. Я хочу, чтобы ты учил русский язык.